So we're gonna make a fun banana split today. It's kind of a chunky monkey vibe, and we're gonna make our own Cold Stone ice cream. This is a French vanilla ice cream, and I'm gonna make this one taste like a date shake. Chopped pitted dates, I'm gonna fold into my vanilla. Chopped chocolate covered almonds. And then you just take your paddle, your big flat paddle, and fold it back in. Then you're gonna pop it into another container and put it back into the freezer to set up. Now I'm gonna take a darker, rich chocolate ice cream and add in crushed up pretzel rods. You gotta put the work in, man, if you wanna get the big chunks and nuggets in there. So then we slather that back into its own tub and throw them in the freezer. I split a banana, a little underripe on the banana, not overripe, it'll get all mushy. Here's our date with the almonds. There we go. And now we're gonna take some chocolate with the giant pieces of pretzel right next to them. Hot caramel. And then on the chocolate, hot fudge, our whipped cream, toasted shaved coconut, imported Amarena cherries.
This is what I like to call nice cream, because it's ice cream that's good for you. So I took the pineapple, I froze it into just kind of like shapes.
You can do this with bananas.
You can, yeah. I've made this on the show plenty of times. We've done banana ice cream. And then I just stream in a little bit of coconut milk. I use the light one, and thank you. Just stream that in until it starts to look creamy. And it comes together really quick. And then it's kind of like pina colada, a little bit of pineapple, a little bit of coconut. It's like soft serve. So we'll scoop it out. I like to serve it in some cold coupe glasses.
No, this is really clever. It's just like the banana tray.
Yeah. So then I just like to scoop some in a little coupe glass.
Beautiful.
And then this is perfect for the kids. I like to put one of these nice little Amarena cherries on top. Now you could put some toasted coconut. Rachel, you're not a toasted coconut fan. Do you like toasted coconut?
Jeanette, don't say that in public. There's a lot of coconut lovers here.
A lot of toasted coconut. All right, so this, perfect for the children. This, perfect for the grown-ups. This is a little bit of dark rum. Like to float it on top. And then that is a lovely frosty dessert.
Floater of dark rum.